be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling.
One shot to your heart without breaking your skin. No one has the power to hurt you like your kin. Kept it inside, didn't tell no one else. Didn't even wanna admit it to yourself. And now your chest burns and your back aches from 15 years of holding the pain. And now you only have yourself to blame if you continue to live this way. You wanna heal your body. You have to heal your heart.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to a new vlog. If it's your first time here, my name is Fivo. I'm actually on my way out. It's 11:08. I'm supposed to have gotten there by now. I want to go and buy Thrift. I want to go thrift shopping. I want to buy some quick and some like workout clothes and all of that. Since I've started my whole workout training. So I'm on my way out right now. I need my skin to be glowing since I'm not applying makeup. How have you guys been so far? I really need to shop for skincare because it's finishing. Skincare is more expensive, like Jesus Christ. I don't know why I'm even wasting time. Before I finish going there, they would have sold everything. That's why I like to go early in the morning. If you have any sunscreen in mind that would be good for me, I beg, please recommend. No vex. This one eventually blends with skin, but it takes a fucking while. It takes a long while for it to blend to the skin. My bucket hat on, and I'm ready. Okay, I have my ATM cards and some cash. Alright, I'm done. Let's go to the market. I'm not sure I can carry my tripod though because so I'll not collect my phone inside the market. Merch.
Still rockin' by money, bake. Sit back and roll on, ayy. Smoking that shit to the face, ayy. I call it cool, different race. Get on the car, hit the gate. They see in the slum of the day. Trouble, we come from the A. Straight breaking off, ain't wait. Starting off in the fast lane. Smoke all back to the brain. Sliding that Bentley move, same. 2018, the new range. Slip through that shit, eat the pain. Like you a simple pain. Break on inside on these saints. Doing that shit that you can't. Drip on your bit like a saint. Hey, yo, Fred.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm living my bands. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried to pay, he begged me to stay. Hey, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna run. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she know she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like I said.
Good morning, guys. It's currently 7:60 and this is a Sunday morning. About to work out. I just need to take my coffee and just want to take my coffee and chill for a bit before I start working out because my body is paining me. This exercise is no joke. My body is really paining me. I'm not even playing. When I came back yesterday, I just ate and took a nap. I didn't do anything yesterday, so that's why I didn't film. So today, I actually had to wash all the stuff that I thrifted. So today, if they all dry, I'm going to feel like a haul. Show you guys, I got really cute stuff. I'm thinking I'm going to go wear one this morning. It's really cute. Like I love everything that I bought. So yeah, one of the things why I don't like staying up at night is because yesterday night After I went on Jumia and I went to buy things, I hate always add to cart, then you start spending money you don't have. Let me just drink my coffee and chill, and I'll talk to you guys later. I'm done. I'm about to go and shower. This first set I wore for my workout was part of the things I bought yesterday, so let me go and shower, then I'll come and try on the rest outfit with you guys. Then make something to eat because I am hungry. I'll talk to you guys later. I'm so cute. Like the skin is glowing.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm living my bands. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Hey, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna run. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she know she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like I tell you, always stay hot.
Then I'm in the skate. Roll this scotch well in the face. Getting the rest of the stage. Put that little bitch in a place. I put them hoes in order. I put them hoes in order. I put them blow the car. That was the coldest water. That was the coldest water. I'm trying to hold the water. It's so the water. Bring out the rest of my business. Still shooting dice at the palace. I'm kinda cooking with gadgets. He's still in the left. I treat it like all
This is the first item that I got. I love this short and the top. Like, I look so cute, making me look so sexy. I got this everything like 1K. I got this for 1K. I think I got this one for 800 Sef. Because see me, I'm not spending too much money. So cute. Now let me wear outfit number 2. This is outfit number 2. I don't love it and I don't hate it either. I mean, the top is pretty cute, but it's short. I don't even know why I bought it, but I mean, it's still holding my ass, so it's fine. Let me wear outfit number 3. This is the third one. I don't even know why I bought this trouser. Like, it makes me look like a grandmother. Like, what is this exactly? I'm still going to wear it to work out, don't get me wrong, but my mother is the only person that would like this thing. I don't even know why I bought it. Looking at myself in the mirror, I don't even understand myself. I'm always wear it like that. I'm still going to go and shop for more though, but yeah.
I came here looking for a wife, and there are 2 women that I couldn't see myself with.
I love this show so much. You guys need to watch it if you haven't watched it. Good morning, guys. I hope you slept well. Well, this is a Monday morning. I'm about to make myself some tea, and then I don't know what else I'm doing today. I think I have a lot of stuff to do this morning, though. I have to clean, I have to work out, and a few other things I have to do. So yeah. And today is a public holiday, so I think this morning is like free for me. I don't have to go anywhere or do any important stuff today. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day and a happy new month. This is May 1st. I pray this month is amazing for you. You get everything that you want this month. Hey guys, this will be the end of this vlog. My weekend is officially over. It's currently 1:04, so my weekend is done. I just look forward to the rest of the week. I'm actually going to start vlogging just weekend vlogs or whenever I can vlog till, I am there yet to know if I can do a full week. Let's just see how this goes from now. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, my love.